Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to discuss with you before the exam tips. So let's start. 1. Create a study plan. Make a schedule and stick to it. 2. Review notes regularly. Go through your notes, textbook and other study materials. Practice with sample questions. Try solving sample questions and past year's papers. 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to help your brain function well. During the exam, 1. Read the instruction carefully. Understand what is expected of you. 2. Manage your time effectively. Allocate time for each question and section. 3. Stay calm and focused. Take deep breaths and try to relax. 4. Answer the easy question first. Get the easy one out of the way before moving to the tougher ones. After the exam, 1. Review your performance. Go through your answer and identify areas for improvement. 2. Don't discuss the exam. Avoid discussing the exam with friends or classmates to reduce stress. 3. Take a break. Give yourself time to relax and recharge. 4. Prepare for the next exam. Start preparing for your next exam or assessment. Additional tips. 1. Stay hydrated and energized. Drink plenty of water and eat nutritious food. 2. Use positive self-talk. Encourage yourself with positive affirmations. 3. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for help from teachers, classmates or tutors. 4. Stay organized. Keep all your study materials, including notes and schedules, organized and easily accessible. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.